a little update on the Golf. So last video I found the leak on that side there, but later on in the day I tested it, and then I noticed I was leaking here. So obviously I took the air filter out of the way. I took this case here that's normally like the, it's out of the it's out of the way now. Yeah, take that one out. And then here you got some more tubes there underneath all of this, so I'll need to strip it out and find where the leak is. Wish me good luck.
1, 2, 3 bones ride down the street. Mr. 517 flow D19. They don't know me and I don't know them. Sitting in the dark speaking same old hymns. Autogram chain looking. When they're heavy in the car so quick I don't even do shit. Floating in the pool I don't really ever swim. Eyes closed, head back, just listen to the wind.
I've done the test already, but my camera didn't want to film it for some reason, but I'll do it again just so I can get it on video. So yeah, as you guys saw, I fixed the leak. Obviously I had to cut a little bit of tubing that was all crunchy, so managed to put a new clear one, which is kind of like rubber. Well, yeah, now I'm just gonna put everything back together. To the other side I'm gonna add one of these. Let me focus. Anyway, you get the point. But yeah, I'm gonna add one of those and then see how it goes. So now, as you can see, this side here is, let me just focus, it's amended, and this is a new tube. Then obviously I'll cut that one, and there is the bottom bit here. Yep. Now I'm gonna cut this one and connect them all together and then see if it works. All connected now.